The prioritization model uses a variety of indicators that reflect the mobility priorities and community considerations articulated in the contract with voters. In order to determine how well an indicator is being achieved, we used metrics, which are based on data that we collected through a variety of different sources. This allowed an apples-to-apples comparison across all of the corridor improvements, and it also enabled us to assess the bang for the buck that we could be generating.
The data that was used in the prioritization model had to be readily available because we have 8 years to build the projects funded by the 2016 Mobility Bond.
We had a couple of different things associated with mobility. One was the people throughput per hour, and the other was the delay time for vehicles. Those were two important mobility considerations that we included in our prioritization model. We worked closely with the University of Texas Center for Transportation Research in developing a multimodal level of service tool. We worked with the Neighborhood and Community Development Department within the City of Austin in order to get some information about subsidized affordable housing, and we used census data and other data to get a handle on the unsubsidized affordable housing in the City of Austin. Non-subsidized affordable housing was housing that was available for less than $999 per month, and that was based on research that we conducted related to market rate affordable housing, and also the approach was consistent with what the University of Texas had done in some of their vulnerable housing studies. Safety was considered through top crash intersections identified through the Vision Zero program, as well as through an analysis of crash modification factors. So when you make a certain type of improvement, that's expected to impact crashes by a certain percentage, and that was one of the metrics that we used in our analysis for safety.